Workshop Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing good. A little chilly. I haven't quite got used to the temperature change yet. It is November. And the last little engraving class, everybody was saying, oh, it's snow at our house, but it's not that way here. We still have some leaves on the trees. But anyhow, I had a little freeze a couple days ago. So that's all good, but rocking and rolling. Look here. Can't show you the brand. You may be looking. Or y'all may be looking. Look at there. Got 4 pair of spurs going. One lady, one man, one child, somebody. Christmas presents going on. So pretty cool. I don't normally do big quantities like that. Usually I spend all y'all's money on one pair. But anyhow, this cool deal. I'm excited to do these, be wrapping them up maybe by the end of the week. Expectations, which lead to disappointment. I'll be done by the end of the week. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Having some fun engraving. The engraving class was good last week. Had Carly Stoltz here from Art of the Cowgirl, and got that was our last little deal with Art of the Cowgirl. She'll be having a bit done. Be getting it completed. Be all put together. She'll have it for the show in January. Anybody going to be in Queen Creek, Arizona in January, you should come see us. Carly will do a nice presentation on her time spent with me and the building of the bit and all that. So it'll be fun times. Anyhow, all's clicking right along. Patreon's doing good. Putting stuff up there. Did a long video yesterday of me drawing on CAD programs, and certainly not a how-to, but as a bit and spur maker, maybe give a glimpse into somebody interested in that stuff and how we can go about all that world and digitizing things. And we can all get in the argument of whether it's handmade or not, but anyhow, it's all good. Hope y'all doing good. I'm gonna get back at it. I'm gonna get back at this engraving so that my expectations hopefully will be met by the end of the week. And man, Thanksgiving next week. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your family, cherish the times that you have together. And you know what? We'll see you soon. Adios.